Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Fast boy. Speedy boy. Oh, yeah. Let's see, where do I... Yeah. Let's do this.
I see the time reversal did not save a human.
It must have been close, though, and... Okay, so... Virus is dead in storage, and Rom and me were both in lights, so little sus of Rom. It also looks like he was
Wait,
trying...
Rom just ran out of storage towards
Yeah, because
Tom.
I was in electrical when the time hit, and then I got rewound back to storage, and then I went to the right.
Okay.
But that means you're right along the path of the body, though.
Where is it in storage?
It's like bottom left of storage, like by the boxes, by gas.
Oh, interesting.
I was in O2 doing those leaves, and I saw someone just out of vision, like barely, but I didn't saw who.
I
Yeah.
checked on someone and then went to them.
Okay. It
Scribble.
might be.
Hmm.
I'm doing task in reactor.
May I just ask, why are there so many tasks?
Be you tasked?
I was like, oh, this is a lot.
It is kind of a lot.
Orhan was outside of admin and honestly was a little sus to me, but he might be fine, I don't know.
Orhan, you're sus for standing there. What happened?
No, I wasn't much.
Oh, no.
The sus movement.
I always find him sus, though.
Well, at least I don't think this one is Nax. I don't think it's myself, so...
I'm sus on Rom, and that's it.
That's totally fair. I was
I'm a
very in the area, but
Only thing that I know is that I probably saw T-Bot in there, but I don't have any clue where he is now. He could be like in storage now. I
How
don't know.
far in storage is it, like far left or far?
It's like left of the boxes, like right on gas task, I think.
Right on gas test.
Oh.
Oh, fuck, are you kidding me?
oh no. Is this the one where we have to vote after a...
Yeah, I mean, it's 6 anyway, so we should vote.
Oh,
I was muted. I think it's Orhan.
Why?
Because he was acting really sus on cams while I was watching.
Okay, well, unless someone else has important information, I have important information before we vote.
What do you got?
My information, because I pressed the button, was I passed by electrical and saw a report button, and then I got time rewound, so I was just like, oh shit, someone might get resurrected, I'm not sure. So I walked over to the button and pressed it for that chance.
Okay. I'm wondering... So the thing is, I'm pretty sure I saw Solom and Nax in electric together pretty recently.
Yeah, I left electrical. I saw Solem there, and I left him alone there. So I don't know. I'm at the reactor now.
Hmm. Rom is still alive.
I am.
Rom is still alive.
Orhan, what's your? You got accused. You got voted. What's up?
I don't know, I just circled around the storage, looked for a body, then went up to cafeteria, so both.
I did see Orhan in storage, but I don't think he was coming from electrical.
No,
like,
I
yeah.
just drew a circle literally. Looked for a body, then went up.
But I also don't know if both bodies are in electrical or just one of them. What the?
Well,
What?
Oh my gosh, lover kill?
What is happening?
Oh shit.
What?
This is my favorite game. This is my favorite game.
how
No,
What just happened?
I knew it was a play too.
Perfection,
I knew it.
perfection,
I'm so
perfection.
mad. I'm so mad.
that was
I
good.
knew it was an
That
executioner
was
play.
good.
I was
So
like,
good.
job.
So good.
damn it. I was right too about both the imposters, and you do this to me.
This
Rom
actually
and
is
that, you need
definition
to
of
explain.
irony. I wish I
Rom
was
and
reading
that,
this.
can somebody please explain who shot who?
I
How
shot
did that
both
happen?
Lost and Janae.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
I
I
was
get kind
pretty
of
sure Janae was Time Lord, and I didn't see Lost in electrical at all, so I was pretty sure he was engineer.
God damn it. Ah, when were you in there?
That is risky.
Oh my god.
I can't believe like that ended up that way.
That was pretty good. Oh my goodness.
Good win, Boat. Good win. God, I'm so mad though. I called out both the
I'm
imposters.
so glad, but what?
I'm
Boss,
not.
You were right. You were 100% right. You win.
Yes.
So wait,
Oh my goodness.
Rom, did you do the kill in storage?
Oh yeah.
And Nax, did you kill Solem?
Yep.
Ah, damn it! God damn it!
At least you know your like imposter sense is on full.
yeah, today.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually I like to skip there as well as an imposter, just in case there's a jester executioner. Unlucky.
I just got cocky, and I'm also an idiot. So
No,
That was crazy.
You were not an idiot. It was.
Rom, how could you have known? You didn't know.
Exactly.
I should have been safe.